everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and today I have a haul for you guys. Now, in previous videos I said I'm going to be using a lot of my older stamp sets and stuff, and I still am. However, I needed some more supply-y type things. So I picked up the Tailored Expressions blender brushes. So these came in a set of 10. I've not opened them. They literally just came today. And then I also got the bitty blenders. So I will let you guys know. I'm actually going to be bringing back my company spotlights so that we can kind of get back into it. I mean, I discovered a lot of small businesses that way too. Another tool I picked up from Tailored Expressions is their embossing powder tool. This thing is pretty awesome. So it has their logo on the top and it says, you know, share joy. This thing has been pretty great. User error first time. Make sure you read the directions, because I did not. I did finally pick up 2 of the simple storage for simple strips. Okay, had to pause the video for a second. Sorry guys. So I got these, and these are great for those cinnamon strips. Actually, I have them right here. So they're these. There we go. And what you do is you stamp the whole thing out, and you have the die that lines up with the squares, which I also happen to have right here, I think. Yeah, right here. So you line the squares up, and that cuts out all your cinnamon strips. It's really pretty fantastic when you want to just cut up some cinnamon strips. So I did that, and they fit perfectly in here. I mean, you get 2 trays. I mean, so you have a top tray and a bottom tray. And yeah, I'm glad I was finally able to get my hands on these guys. So the next thing from Tailored Expressions was, we'll get this other stuff. We'll get the not so fun stuff out of the way, I guess. I picked up these sticky sheets. So they're just adhesive sheets that you can put on your cardstock to die cut with, which I like these, especially with like smaller die cuts. I also picked up 2 packs of the Simple Strips stacks. So you get 20 sheets of 100-pound cardstock. So I got Oreo and then Sugar Cube. And I also picked up the gold foil cardstock, because you just can't ever have too much gold foil cardstock. I also picked up the Celebrate Big Balloon Shaker. And I've already cut this out a couple times. I'm planning on making a shaker card here, because that's what I make, is shaker cards. Not just shaker cards, but I've made a lot more recently than I normally do. I also picked up the Frame and Frame cutting plate. So, and I did cut a couple of these out. I always like to have like samples in my packs, and I do usually store everything in the original packaging that it came in. So it just cuts out these super cute little frames. So that's what I got from Tailored Expression. Now I did get some stuff at Simon Says Stamp. So we're going to go through, let's go through the adhesive first. So I did pick up the new pixie tape. I'm almost out of my mint tape, which I use all the time, but I needed something a little, I mean, I just needed tape to tape down my die cuts and stuff. So I'm interested to try, I can't wait to try this pixie tape from iCraft. I also picked up 4 things of foam tape from Happy Doodle. Why? Because of how thick it is. Like, it's probably the best foam tape I found to make shaker cards with. So I got the 12 millimeter wide, and I also picked up 2 of the 5 millimeter wide. Now I did also, speaking of adhesive, I picked up Happy Doodle double-sided foam strips. These bad boys are really thick. Like, I cannot wait. As you can see, I still haven't opened them yet, because literally everything just came today. But these are great for just about anything. And it looks like they come in a bunch of different sizes. So I also picked up the little one stamp set from Alt New. I have no baby cards, or no baby stamps, anything, and I really needed one the other day, so I picked that up. I also picked up the interactive labels from MFT, and this is all one big Lawn Fawn order, or Lawn Fawn, Simon Says stamp order. So I also got the year 9 taco stamp and die set, because I have a blend that has some tacos in it. And this was their free gift when I ordered. It's just a thank you die and the shadow die. So then also from Simon, from their brand. Now these got a little wonky because my cat likes to step all over everything. So I picked up and I've cut most of these out. So this is the awareness ribbon from Simon Says Stamp. And I did go ahead and cut that out in some heavyweight cardstock. I have type 1 diabetes and MS, and you can never not have the ribbon. So I also picked up the Happy Birthday. Now this got a little wonky. But here is the Happy Birthday die. And it literally is, you know, the size of the packaging, which is nice because then you know what you're getting. So, sorry, the little cat hairs. Yeah, I didn't glue this down. But you can see, I mean, I really like that they're connected. I mean, they're pretty much connected. Like, they're all, like, the birthday's connected. I kind of wish the happy was connected, but it is what it is. And then I also picked up the Love hot foil plate. I love hot foil plates. I have a Spellbinders machine, and it works great. So, on to the rest of the order. So I picked up a lot of waffle flour. And the reason why I love waffle flour is because when you order their dies, they already come on a magnetic sheet. So the first one I picked up was the Slim Shaker Circle die. And I really like this because it's the middle part has the inside out stitch. And it looks like a couple of them do. I also picked up the hexagon nesting frames, which would be really good for shakers. The nesting hexagon die, and you know, these are like fundamental dies to me because you can do so many different things with them. I got the nesting stars die, which looks like it moved a little bit, but that's okay. The nesting squares die, and like I said, it comes on its own magnetic sheet, which is awesome. The nesting diamonds die, and then I got the nesting ovals, and then the additional nesting ovals. And then last but not least, I picked up the 25 pack medium magnets from Memory Box. I've not tried these yet, but I will let you know how they do, because I need a lot. You know, I have a lot of dies that aren't on magnetic sheets that really need to be. And the last thing I picked up was the EK Success reverse tweezers. I need these so badly. So yeah, that's all I have for this haul today. And like I said, I'm going to get back to my company spotlights on Fridays. And I will let you guys, Taylor Expression is going to be my first company that I get back to. So look forward to that on Friday. And until next time, guys, have a good one. Bye.